Hello, Happy New Year to all. Let this year be a real blessing to you. It has been since a month I made a video because I was busy with university assessments and part-time jobs. So now I'm free a little bit. So I just thought of sharing some information or some methods by which you can get a part-time job, which might be really helpful for you because this has been worked for me. And also I'll be sharing some methods, which I just heard it but I never used it. But you can try it. You might get a job while this one if you just give it a shot. So watch the full video and you're in Joel's Big C. So before going to the methods, I just want to explain three things which is more important. First is a 0-hour contract. So 0-hour contract means in a company, if there is a workload increases, the employer can recruit many outside workers to ease the workload. So but these workers will be paid same like the national minimum wages. Also they will be provided paid annual leaves, rest breaks and protection against discrimination. The more details about 0-hour contracts is given down in the description. And second thing is the national insurance number. So this is, you might have heard NI number everywhere. Okay, so this is like, it's a tax system. It's somewhat similar to tax system, how much tax you paid, something like that. This national insurance number. So how to apply for national insurance number, I'm not going to make a video on that. It's a simple process. The website link I have given down below. And also it might take above sometimes 4 weeks or sometimes above 4 weeks to get your national insurance number. So it will be received by a postal mail. The number will be received by a postal mail. So first thing you should remember is that if you get a job in between, for example, if you applied for a national insurance number and in between 4 weeks, you got a job and they asked for an NI number, you can say you don't have an NI number, or you can just give your NI reference number. That is, if you complete this NI application form, you will get a reference number. You can just give that reference number, and later when you get the original NI number, you can just update it. And third thing is one thing that is important, very important, is that share code. So share code is that, it is the workers immigration status. That is, what I understood is that whether you are a student, how many hours you are allowed to work, or whether you are a worker, how many hours you can work. So it is mainly related to that workers immigration status. So this workers immigration status, also there's a website, is there a UK website, you can just apply via it. And this workers share code you will get within that day itself. And also you should remember it has an expiry date, so try maximum to apply before that expiry date itself. So first method that I used to get a job was via Job Shop. So Job Shop is a one agency that is run by Students Union in Cardiff University. So in different universities they will be different names, it will be known. So you just find which agency is working in your university that provides part-time jobs. Okay, mostly it will be run by Students Union only. So first thing is that, first thing you should register your name, your personal details and everything in this Job Shop. And then they will ask you to share your share code, your NI number, the NI number. And one more thing is that term dates. You should just remember term dates. It's like, how many days you have. For example, Christmas holidays, till when you have Christmas holidays, when you have Easter holidays, because these holidays you can work for 40 hours. So it should be confirmed when you have these holidays, because so that you won't exceed the legal hours that is entitled to you. Okay, so term dates, to get term dates, first you should contact your department head. They will be sending you the term dates. Okay, you can just send them a mail by sealed, and a stamped PDF will be sent to you, your term dates. So term dates, share code, NI number, then BRP front and back, students ID front and back, all these things, details you send to your Job Shop officials or your agency, university agency officials, and they will arrange some interview or something like online interview, so that it's not a real interview, but only you need to just take your BRP and show it to you show it to them. That's it. It's not a big, just 10 or 15 minutes interview. Okay, and after that you can start applying for the jobs. Really, I'm saying 100%, this is the first time, it's very easy to get a job via job shop. Okay, because it's really accessible also. So you can try this method. Second method is by going this, I don't know, I think most of you might know this method. It's like, just take your Google Maps. Okay, there will be a lot of, what we say, restaurants, supermarkets over there. You just click over there, there will be a website for that shop or that restaurant or that supermarket, and just go to that website and you can find a careers page over there. Okay, and from there will be a lot of vacancies will be shown, which post they want, vacancies will be shown. You can apply for that. Okay, trust me, I have received 4 interviews like this, and one restaurant took me also. Okay, one restaurant took me also. So this is really working. Okay, so because most people only will go to careers page of KFC, McDonald's, Burger King. Okay, all these big fast giants, most people apply, but they literally, forget about these small restaurants. But if you just apply, there will be a lot of vacancies over here. So just try for this method. This method really worked for me. It might really help you also. Third method is that there are a lot of job providing agencies are there across UK. So one agency which I applied was Constellation. So Constellation, in there you can see there is a what we say, location is there. Location they will be asking, and you just give your location. Just give your location and 2 job postings. Still now it's live, and it's live showing. So that is on Cardiff City's Stadium and Principality Stadium, 2 job posting for there. So I applied for this job posting, and I got a telephonic interview email on 6th of this Friday. So this really works. Okay, so if you find any agencies near you, really they will help you with that. They will really provide, they will update you any jobs that is coming, jobs that is available with that. Okay, fourth method is Indeed, or you can use LinkedIn. Indeed app is a very common one, and also Indeed has released a new app known as Indeed Flex. Okay, I saw this in advertisement in television, so I just applied for it. Okay, so here you will get temporary, I think it's something related to 0-hour contracts, where if there is any temporary jobs are available in your area or any area, you will get an update for this one. So that is what is Indeed Flex is all about. Okay, and fifth method I can say is about referral. So referrals, sometimes it might be really powerful, because if your friend is there in any of in your job, in KFC or McDonald's or any other job place, they have a contact with the manager, a good friendly relation with the manager, they can refer you. Okay, so that you might get a job. But it is not, but the chances of getting is, it depends 50-50 only, I can say. I can't say 100% surety. I can't say if you get a job, because what I even a lot of people, when I came over here, a lot of people came to try to refer me, but I couldn't get any job. So chances are only 50%. Sometimes you will get, sometimes you might not get. So referrals are sometimes it might not work that way. But the first 3 methods, I believe, the first 3 methods that I said, it's really working, and you can just try it. So I believe this video might be really helpful for you, and if it is helpful for you, please share it with your friends, like, subscribe, and wait for my next video. Thanks.